what's up guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas, and this is our unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus. As you all know, we featured this a couple of weeks ago, and finally it will be available to Filipino consumers this January 2018. Now this phone offers a combination of decent mid-range specs, including an 18:9 display, which we'll talk about later. It's a first from the brand. Finally, ASUS now has an 18:9 display, a powerful octa-core processor, dual rear cameras, and a huge 4130 milliamperes battery that gives outstanding longevity. Now inside the box, you will find a jelly case. Finally, there is a jelly case inside. This is very useful, especially if you keep on bumping your phone. Good thing that they included it inside the box. Typically, inside any smartphone boxes, you'll find a user guide, and also at the same time, to get yourself a warranty information form as well. Now, apart from those documents, ASUS also included a charger, as you can see right here. And apart from that, they also included a micro USB cable. They also included a 3.5mm headphone. Now, apart from all this, they also included a USB Otg cable, which allows you to use USB devices to the smartphone, or you can also do reverse charging. It's a feature available on Zenfone 4 Max, and this time they bring it over to Zenfone 4 Max Plus. Of course, extra earbuds for you audiophiles out there. Now at this point, let's take a look at the smartphone. Zenfone Max Plus matte finish makes it look and feel more expensive than it really is. And while it's not the slimmest phone out there, being able to fit such a huge battery is no easy feat. Now, at the back is a dual camera system, which of course protrudes. There's no surprise there. I'm not sure why they went back with the sticker on the lower part rather, which I think ruins the beauty of the phone, at least from that angle. Now, as you can see, it also uses a SIM card slot, which can accommodate up to 2 cards, and of course a microSD card, which is a nice touch to it. But of course, the highlight of the design is a new 5.7-inch 18:9 display, sporting a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels or FHD+. It carries the signature vibrancy that brings out life to each color. It's also a very bright display and is very much readable even in direct sunlight. It's actually not a deal breaker, but I somehow wish that they slash off just a few more millimeters from the bottom bezel, as you can see right here. Unless it's a design restriction, I feel like the extra space is just wasted. Zenfone Max Plus runs on ZenUI 4.0 on top of Android Nougat, which introduces a number of few features such as face unlock, while retaining the goodies that I loved from the previous version, such as Audio Wizard. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this out for a few weeks, and watch out for our full review soon on Gadget Pilipinas.